Hey, what's up? John Shred here, and today I am replacing the battery in this APC battery backup. It's a 425 VA unit. The exact model number is the BE425M. Now, I do not recommend doing this. I will gladly say this is a piece of crap, and when the battery dies, I suggest maybe just throwing it out. It's not worth your time. But if you have already done like me and you've purchased a replacement battery, I mean, the battery itself was 37 bucks. The unit itself was 60. You make your call. But stay tuned. We will do it together. I will show you why it is extremely painful to do, and I do not recommend it. First, why did this happen? I mean, so from my experience with battery backups, even APC, you get a chirping noise when the battery is about to die. This one here, it kind of did this annoying whine, and usually the chirping turns off after a few minutes and then repeats itself every 8 to 12 hours. Well, this one just kept going. Let me see if I can recreate it for you. Something like this. Yeah, it's annoying. It sucks. It never stops until you turn it off. So, yeah. Let's turn that off now. Okay, that's on. Great. Okay, first things first, disconnect the power cable itself. Flip the unit over. There is this fancy yellow safety tab. Grab a flathead screwdriver, get in there and lift it up and out. Cool, easy part. Next, remove these 4 screws. Now you think, oh, that's easy. I will grab my trusty screwdriver. Actually, this one's not bad and actually fits. But this one does not. This one here isn't long enough. I've already done this, or at least taken it apart once. I used this little kind of precision one, but then it goes in, it's so deep that I couldn't turn it, so I had to use a pair of pliers to get it out. So consider what tools you may need. If you do have a long Phillips star screwdriver, and you can get it at it, amazing. There's screw number 1. Okay, it pops off, the screws are in there. Now, I will open this up. There's our other 2 screws. Thank you. Okay, as this opens up, there's not a whole lot inside here. Should be able to get hopefully a better view up top here. You have your positive and your negative, your black and your red. I grabbed a pair of pliers to disconnect them. They are now nice and loose because I have done it once, and you take your battery out. It's not held in by anything, so it's just floaty around. The actual PCB is kind of just on there weird. Like I say, a very, very cheap product. I'm not sure what to expect for 60 bucks, but hey. Okay, next, your replacement battery. I will put a link, an Amazon link below to where I purchased this battery. This is a 12 volt 4.5 amp battery. This is a 12 volt 5 amp battery. That's okay, shouldn't be a problem. Should be fine. Okay, see here, it just comes with some covers. Pop that off, pop that off. Don't need that. Slide these guys, slide it back in. you'll see there's a specific spot that it slides into. First attempt I tried having it sideways, it didn't work. Clip your black, clip your red, and put it back together. Now this is where I had the fun. So the trick I'm noticing here is that the PCB has some flex to it in the back. Let's see if you can see it from the top angle here. But you need to catch it on the back to get it in. And this is where I struggled. It does not easily go back together. And even when I took this apart for the video, I never truly got it back together. So you can watch me struggle here. Everything just flexes and, okay, this side's kind of on. Oh. It still doesn't, like this is as close as I got before. It doesn't really feel like it wants to sit down properly. But here, let's put a couple screws in. Just go buy a new unit. Nope, no lock. I'm pretty sure both of those, oh, well that screw isn't, but it's kind of ballooned. Oh, it looks like there's, okay. I'm gonna plug this guy back in, which means it should be live now. The bottom is all kerfuffered. Like it's not in properly. This side's way out. You can definitely see the PCB on the side here. Do I care? Not really. I'm gonna put this inside like a TV cabinet and never touch it again. I will be throwing it out, but let's see if it works. Okay, let's plug something in. Great. Unplug it. Yay. Working without making any crazy noise. Okay, I will continue to let that charge. Yeah, back to what I originally said. Do not recommend it, because you may never get it back together. So maybe you have better luck than I did, but I don't want to force it too much. That is all. I don't like this product. Thank you for watching. Thanks everybody. I'll see you later on the next one. See ya. Bye.